After Burj Khalifa, something new has taken place in the UAE again. Recently, Chairman Emaar, the developer behind Burj Khalifa, brought a high-tech prefabricated residential innovation known as the Holon building from China's BROAD Group to the UAE, attracting widespread attention. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how a fleet of cranes completed the installation of a tall residential building in just 96 hours. However, speed is not the only highlight of Holon buildings. Chairman Emaar made two special trips from the UAE to China to select BROAD Holon as a strategic partner, as it features a stainless steel structure, uses zero concrete, incorporates European passive house energy-saving technology, and integrates the clean fresh air system representing the future of human housing. Designed to meet UAE building standards, which are largely aligned with European and American standards, but stricter in certain aspects, this project stands out for its full prefabrication. What is particularly noteworthy is that the structure, interior finishes, and MEP systems are all 100% factory prefabricated on streamlined production lines, akin to the automotive industry, with reliable inspections at every stage. This ensures every detail complies with standards. This is what really matters, whereas the harsh site conditions of the traditional constructions often compromise quality. Though the building's exterior appears modest, its internal structure is exceptionally luxurious, even by the world-famous UAE standards of opulence. The structure uses 100% premium stainless steel, and the floor slabs adopt BROAD's proprietary stainless steel core slab, not only reducing steel consumption, but also offering superior earthquake resistance. The luxury extends further. Windows are made of 4-paned ultra-clear glass. The exterior walls are clad with 22 centimeters fire-resistant rock wool, and the heat recovery fresh air system is equipped. Air conditioning energy consumption is reduced by 90% in the UAE's climate, where comfort is a top priority. It filters 99.9% of air pollutants and effectively blocks urban noise. After factory prefabrication, the floor slabs were folded into 40-foot shipping container-size modules, which crossed oceans and continents, reaching the UAE construction site from China in just over 20 days. Then, in only 96 hours, the entire 150-unit residential building was hoisted into position. Yes, you heard that right, 96 hours from start to finish. But it's worth noting that the Holon building technology has taken BROAD 16 years, invested $1.1 billion to successfully develop. For countries like the UAE, which rely heavily on foreign labor, or European and American nations with strict foreign labor regulations, adopting prefabricated housing from labor-abundant countries could be a solution to costly housing and severe shortages, and local residents can enjoy a higher living quality. Holon building is pioneering a new paradigm of globalization, the globalization of real estate assets. It offers developed countries a solution to address immigration issues and enables green resources to flow freely across the world.